What's good, everybody? I got a 47 Chevy here. It's got a Corvette suspension on it all throughout. That's a turbo fire 327. This might not be going in it. There's another motor around. Getting rid of all the door handles and stuff. She's been sitting for like 25 years. So we're getting to it. A lot of work's been done. A lot of work needs to be done. Just making a video. See if you guys watch it a lot, then you know I'll do videos on fixing it up. And then we got a 40 right here. Suicide doors. Top comes off. All that other good stuff. It's turnkey. It got a choke problem. We'll probably do a video on fixing that and everything. This has got all kinds of grinding and welding to do. Got to get the rocker right and everything. Still got to put the steering column in. You know, all that good stuff. But if you guys want to, to check these cars out with me, just let me know on the YouTube and I'll do it. It's whatever. But alright then. Later.